Today we're going to do a fun little project to make your crochet hooks a lot more user-friendly and ergonomic. And this is what it looks like. It's much heavier and easier to use. It really feels so much better. I'm using these silicone beads, and I get a nice assortment of colors, and you can select a combination that you like. And the regular hook here, I used a 4.5, and then you just start pushing them in. It's amazing how like these small holes still gonna really work. And then I use this bobbin to push them down because it is hard to get it on, especially over the thicker part here. But the bobbin really works. Maybe you have something else that has a center hole and then something to hold on to really push them down. And then you just add them in a color combination you would like. You can also go from the other side. It's a little harder to get in there since it doesn't have like a curved hook part there, but you still can get it on and then just pull it through or push it down with your bobbin. I get them all on, and I really like that combination that I got with all different colors for silicone beads, because it also has those 17-inch hexagon beads. I guess that's what those are, and that's nice for the top. But they do have many other nice different silicone tops if you want to be get more creative with them. But the top one, just make it be right snug with the top, and you can adjust the other ones as well. And then you can add some strong glue to the top and the bottom one to make them stay, or just leave it like that. And do different colors, and really nice to use, feel great on your hand. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you see you next time.